Hi, so today I just want to give a quick overview of the different versions of the CasiOak. So in front of me today, I've got various versions of the CasiOak version 3, okay? So we'll start by answering the question, what is a version 3? Now, I've just already popped the screws out of this one, so I'll just pop out the watch itself, because it's the easiest way to show it. So, on the originals, on an original Casio, you will mount it via these small lugs here. Okay, focus camera. These mounting lugs here, we just pop it in and it holds it. Now, there's a big difference in weight between a standard silicone strap and a full metal bracelet, okay? They were never designed to carry the weight of a full metal bracelet, okay? Don't buy a version 2 or an original one. Yes, they're very cheap. They're very cheap for a reason. They're going to break your watch, okay? Those little lugs cannot take the weight of a strap of a bracelet all the time, okay? Now, there's two versions basically now of the version 3, okay? We have the original version, which is here, and we have the what I would refer to as the S. Hopefully I don't get sued by a fruity cargo cult anywhere. But the original is a little bit nicer put together, okay? It's a little bit heavier, okay? I'll put weights in the description for people. But the key difference between them is the S version has a slightly longer lug, okay? This gives it the range of motion and movement so it can fit a silicone strap, okay? Like here's one here on a silicone strap, and it all gives it the flexibility. So with an S version, you can buy an adapter set like this, pop it in, and then attach a silicone strap. With the original, this won't work, okay? There's just not enough space here to make it fit, okay? So that's why the original versions now have been discontinued. The factories don't make these anymore. You cannot get them. So once these are gone, they're gone. Now, if you want to keep it on a metal strap and always wear it on a metal strap, I advise you to get the original version if you still can. So here's an example. Here's my all black original version. I've had this for probably like 7 months, something like that, and it's held up quite well. So just pop it in. So there it is in all black. It pops in. There's no movement in the strap. There's no wear in it. It's held up really well. Still buckles up easy enough. Oop. There we go. So, yes, I have very small wrists. Now, that's actually a good thing to point out. If you have a 9-inch or bigger wrist, you're never going to get these to fit. They're all made in Asia. They're all made in small sizes. If you're built like a tank, sorry, these are not for you. Okay, you're going to have to buy an original Royal Oak. So, what's the difference between the straps of an S version and an original version? Okay, so here's the original, and here's the S version. So, the easiest way to tell is the original has a little bit of a thicker button on the clasp, and the S is a little bit thinner, okay? The brushing, the quality, it's all very similar, okay? They're very, very similar, okay? This is a little bit heavier, as mentioned, same with the case, The S version is actually a little bit longer. If we put them down flat, for some reason, it's a little bit, it's got 2 extra links in it. Oh, 1 extra? Yeah, about 1 extra. So if you have if it's very tight for you, definitely get an S version. Now, does that? Yeah. So the brushing on the side, you can see it a little bit more clearly. So the brushing on the sides, like, there we go. Stress test it. There's the S. Oh, there's the original, holds up well. And there's the S. There we go. So I think that summarizes quite as quick as I can. So just go through it again. The original is heavier. It can't support a silicone strap, and it's just a wee bit better finished, okay? A little bit heavier. I'll put the weights in the description. And the S can support a silicone strap if you buy an adapter kit. like this, and then you can put a silicone strap on. Now, a word of warning regarding silicone straps. A lot of people are buying them. A lot of people are buying these versions imported, okay? The issue is all the straps are fakes, okay? So if customs catches these with the famous brands on them, they're going to get confiscated. You know, it doesn't matter if this bit is its own thing. If it's got a fake strap on it, it's going to get confiscated. So be careful regarding that. Try and buy unbranded straps, okay? Okay, so I think that summarizes everything. I'll just give it a quick overview. So there's it in gold and black. You know, this one is for silicone straps. I haven't got the strap here with me. Put it into this one. The original black again. And where's the thing? Where is it? There's the original. Yep. Slot it in. So as you can see, like, that's why I have a selection of them myself, because all it is 4 screws. You know, it's very easy to change, so you can chop and change if you feel like something different. And yes, visually exactly the same. The only difference is the weight, and it can take a silicone strap. So that's all. If you watch this, thank you very much for your time. I'll put all the links to where these are available in the description, and the weights of the items. So thank you very much.